Morning guys.
Good morning.
As you can see, we're on a train. I'm Peter Cherry, it's my beautiful girlfriend Lucy.
And we're going to London.
With...
Little Peter! So we are en route to London. We have got little Pete today because it's his mummy's birthday, isn't it?
Yeah.
So shall we say happy birthday, mummy?
Happy birthday, mummy!
We're taking Pete up London because he really wanted to go on a train, but he has no idea where we're going. Do you?
No, so we're going to tell him now. We're going to the Rainforest Cafe this morning.
Ooh, do you know what that is?
I have no idea.
No idea, well we'll show you when we get there. But we also have another mission. He saved up a little bit of his pocket money and he's going to buy his mum a birthday present, aren't you?
And you two are going to help me.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, we are.
So we've made it to Piccadilly Circus and Pete's just distracted by the dancers. Our booking is for an hour's time, so we've got a little while to kill. He's back again. So we're going to go find a present for your mum, Pete, yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
And I love my mum.
Because we had a little bit of time to kill, we got my sister's present quite quickly. We went and flew the drone. We found a little, well I know a little park around here, a little square. The square was closed but we still had to go anyway. We'll show you the footage of that. It's nothing amazing but it's cool to see what the drone can do.
And Pete was like, no, it's fine, it's all good, because it's really windy and wet today. Were you nervous, Pete, really?
I was a little nervous too, of course, it'd be silly not to. Where we was 2 minutes away from Regent Street, but obviously it's very, very busy there and we can't fly it around there, but a little bit more practice and we'll show you a bit more.
Yeah, and I think you're upsetting little Pete because he's not in the camera and he's trying to get in.
Lunchtime.
Kids deal here, and this pack comes with it. And inside you get elephant mask, ruler, lots of stickers that I guess you put on here, an activities book, a wallet, snap, and a little bumper sticker I assume. Oh, and you can just get pencil, sharpener, rubber. It's cool, isn't it, Pete?
Now you got to put this all back in.
Oh, sorry.
else can you see, Pete?
I can see a gorilla over there.
Are you calling me a gorilla? So we've had our lunch. Pete is currently munching on some ice cream. We said if he was a good boy, we would get him something, so, you know. But it's pretty cool here. We've been here for about an hour now. There's all sorts of things that happen while you're here. All the animals come to life one by one. It's been a really cool day, isn't it?
It's different, yeah. So it is just off of the Shaftesbury Avenue, and so it's right by all of the theatre shows and stuff like that. So you can come here, have something to eat, and then go watch a show.
Yeah, the one thing we should point out though is it is expensive.
It's quite expensive, but little Pete's going to pay, so it's alright.
I haven't got any money.
Oh no!
Okay, so we're on our way home now, guys. It is raining outside, so we had to jump on the train home quickly. We didn't have a good experience in the
Rainforest Cafe.
I was going to say Hard Rock, I don't know why. You do pay for the experience though. The food is quite basic, it's just your burgers and chips, sandwiches, that sort of thing. And it is quite pricey. For the three of us, Pete had a little kids meal, we had a main meal and a drink. We didn't have pudding or starters. Come to 60 quid, and that was with a 15% booklet that we had. But a half central London, to go in there and have something like that, it's pretty cool. The kids will like it.
Yeah, everything that was in there was good, like the thunder and lightning, the animals moving.
Yeah, it's a different experience, something that we haven't done before. Did you enjoy it, Pete?
Oh, I like the animals and the food and especially the moving frog.
The moving frog, that's cool.
Look.
But as I say, we are on our way home now, and little Pete has got to give his mum a birthday present.
And happy birthday tomorrow.
That is my birthday today.
No, it's a birthday cake.
So did you choose this?
Yes.
What did you get me?
It's from
What does it say?
oh, it's from Gap.
Yeah? Thank you.